Now, the center of gravity is a point in here that we could imagine that the whole mass of this part is concentrated at that point, the center of gravity, and the gravity applying at that point. So the whole of all the gravity forces applying on all the molecules is replaced by the single force. For instance, the center of gravity of a circle or a disk is the center of that, provided that the mass distribution of the circle or the disk be uniform. Okay. Or the center of gravity of a square again is its center. The center of gravity of a triangle is the intersection point of its medians. Now, the objects, the curved objects. For finding the center of gravity of the curved objects, we need to calculate such integrals. Now, let me talk about a little bit of the integrals. This is the integral symbol or sign, and this is what that's saying that the integration should be is with respect to x, and more or less a sign or symbol. Okay, this algebraic expression or function is what we need to integrate. Now, in order to calculate this, I need to first give you two rules about integration. The first one is that we know what is the integral of the general form of the monomial a x to the power of n. For instance, we know what is the integral of 2x cubed, or the integral of 5x to the power of 100. And the second rule is, if there is sum of some algebraic expressions or functions, say a plus b plus c, the integral of this would be equal to the sum of their individual integrals. The integral of a plus the integral of b plus the integral of c. Okay? Now, let's calculate it. Here, you could not, the best way to calculate it is to multiply this into the second, into the parentheses, or do the multiplication. So that would be x plus x to the power of 4 dx. Now we could calculate it, because according to the second rule, that would be equal to the integral of x plus the integral of x to the power of 4. And according to the rule, the first rule, we know what are their integrals. If we do not do the multiplication, that would be hard to calculate this. Multiplying is the fastest and the best way to calculate such integrals. Okay.